Alright, this is our daughter's 2016 Toyota Corolla LE Plus. We are changing the cabin air filter. So you want to empty out the contents of your glove compartment. And then we are going to, and check out the links in the video description for filters, how to buy the filters. So we're just going to drop this right here. Right back here, this is your air filter. So there's a tab on the right and on the left. This right here is what we just took out. Okay, so that's right behind that is the air filter. So we just reach in here, grab that air filter, and then what I did off camera was I took the plastic off of mine, and the airflow arrow you want down. When you look at your air filter, you want this airflow arrow down like this. So right here, I just popped this little shock off of there. That'll let my door drop all the way down. Open this wide up. You see it now? So now you can see what we're doing. See, I just popped that one little shock off. And we're going to see it's too wide to go in this way. So this is the correct way. And then I'm going to want to take my piece that I took out. These tabs, click on both sides. I do want to point out something. If you're ever trying to reset your TPMS, your tire pressure monitoring system, your button is right here inside your glove compartment. So if you're ever looking for that button, the TPMS reset is right there. That's a very odd location for that. So when we come back up with this, remember we disconnected our shock right here. So we're going to pop that back on right there. And then we're just going to squeeze our glove compartment. And also, I noticed that I think our glove compartment might be missing something, because there's a square right here that we may be missing something on this side. So yours might have something on that left side. But anyway, that concludes our cabin air filter change. It's very simple, and that will save you at least $40 doing that yourself. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for watching.